Hi, today I'll discuss about career in astrology and its various aspects. For career, we have to focus on 10th house and its lord placements in various house in different zodiac signs. When 10th lord goes to ascendant, it shows that the person will be doing self business rather than regular work for some company, and he will be quite famous in the world through his own efforts and hard work. When 10th lord goes to second house, it shows that the person will be doing his family business, especially hotel industry, food industry, or finance related thing. When 10th lord goes to third house, it shows that a person will be involved in marketing, communication, writing, journalism, and he will be traveling a lot for his work or uh, for his work related thing. When 10th lord goes to fourth house, it's a beautiful placement, and it shows that the person will be uh, in real estate, uh, builder, interior designer, then sell purchase of vehicles, mechanic. When 10th lord goes to fifth house, it's a strong indication that the person will be involved in glamour industry like film, modeling, acting, career. Also, stock exchange broker and speculative business, whatever it comes in under speculation. And also, teaching line indicates. When 10th lord goes to sixth house, it's a bit difficult position because sixth house is a trick house, and it shows that the person will not satisfy in his regular work, and he will lose his job more often. Also, it shows that a person will be inclined towards law field uh, like a lawyer. Also, he could be working in as a veterinarian, working with animals. When 10th lord goes to seventh house, it shows that the person will be doing business rather than job, and he will be doing partnership business with foreign country or foreign partners. And because this is a strong indication of doing business, and he'll be traveling to abroad most frequently. When 10th lord goes to 8th house, it shows that the person will be involved in the medical profession, um, commission related profession, or insurance, cemetery, morgue, or and the most important is occult. So he'll be a mystic or very highly occult expert. When 10th lord goes to ninth house, it shows that the person will be doing his father's business. Also, he could be a judge, lawyer, uh, a professor, teacher in college or universities. 10th lord sitting in 10th house itself, it is the best placement, and it shows that the person will be inclined towards government job, politics, and if he is working in some corporate sector, then he'll be working in some higher post like CEO, MD, and he will earn name, fame, respect, honor uh, to the fullest. When 10th lord goes to when 10th lord goes to 11th house, it shows that the person will be doing or more inclined towards the finance related thing. He'll gain a lot through his friends and network circles and earn money through that. When 10th lord goes to 12th house, it shows that the person will be working in multinational companies and or foreign country, but away from their homeland or birthplace. Also, it indicates that the person will be involved in jail as an employee or hospital. And also, this is since 12th house is a spiritual house also, so that the person will be very charitable by nature, and he will do a lot of charity. So this was my brief introduction about 10th house and career. Hope you liked my video. But if we want to see more in detail, we have to focus in detail chart in more detail. But this was a brief. Hope you liked my video, and thank you for watching. So I'll be making more videos very soon on Vedic astrology. Thank you.